Today on Motorhead Garage, Dave and his guests show how pros and regular folks can get the same quality shine, replace a door seal on a classic Chevy truck, and use medical technologies in the automotive world.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
This is Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. As you know, these days cars are getting more and more expensive and they're hard to get. So folks are keeping their cars longer. Jim, what are some things they can do to protect their car that's seen some road time already?
Well, you know, they could obviously bring it to a shop like mine, but it's going to cost a good bit of money. Our detailings for ceramic coating start around $1,500 and you can go up easily to $4,000. Or for 20 bucks, they can get a DIY product, the ceramic spray from NEXGEN, and it's going to protect their car for many months. A bottle like this will last easily for a year to do their car 4 or 5 times and really more. And I think it's a good alternative for someone to save a lot of money and be able to keep their car protected.
Why is NEXGEN ceramic spray so good?
Well, really, Dave, it starts with the raw materials and the chemistry behind that. From the very beginning to the very end of how this is manufactured, it really brings it to a much better scientific grade of product.
You're a professional, you've been doing this for 30 years. How impressive is NEXGEN's DIY product?
It's the most impressive product I've ever worked with in the market, period.
What makes NEXGEN better?
It's easier to use than any other product I've used. It's like super easy to fix if you use too much. And that's the biggest problem that we have with our customers is they simply use way too much of the product and it takes very little to go a long way. This product you can actually use on the glass, you can use on the paint, you can use it on the painted surface of your wiper blades, you can use it on the black trim, the moldings, you could use it on your wheels. Hell, you could use it on your mailbox if it was painted.
All right, Jim, we'll let you get back to work. Now, Michael, I know you don't have a mailbox coating, but you do have the ceramic. What else do you have in the NEXGEN line?
So the ceramic is a great product and it does a tremendous amount for your vehicle. But there are other things that you need if you're going to go through that full detail process as a DIY enthusiast. That's why we've released our water spot remover, our wheel and engine cleaner, our bug and tar remover. You guys in the South, you understand what it means when you get bugs on your car. This is one of the greatest products in the world. The bugs literally just fall off. We've got a full line of products that takes you all the way through the interior of the car, through the exterior of the car, through the engine bay, through the wheels. We've got you covered from the front to the back of the car completely.
Now, how do I know I'm getting a quality product from NEXGEN?
So the story of NEXGEN really begins in 2008 when we were the largest purchaser of a national brand that ended up getting sold to another company, and we saw quality degrade and go downhill. We realized we weren't able to find the products that we wanted anymore, so the only option that we had was to make them ourselves. So these products that you're looking at, the products that we sell on our website, have literally been used on millions of cars from 2009 to 2019 by our own team. We have over 700 detailers in our sister company embedded in car dealerships up and down the West Coast that are using these products on a daily basis for every car that comes in and goes out of service bays for dealerships up and down the West Coast. So when you ask me how do I know because our products have been literally on millions of cars. We've brought in the best in breed of chemists. We only buy the best raw materials, and the chemistry that we have that puts everything together creates products that are not only easy for our professionals to use, but they've been tailored specifically in this line for DIY enthusiasts. So we've created a product line that allows customers to buy products to get from the front to the back, from the inside to the outside of their car, not only providing them the best cleaning products, the best protective coatings, but at the best price, because we all know in today's economy, everybody wants to do the best they can, but they want to spend as little as possible. So we're trying to make that possible when it comes to dealing with your car.
How does the NEXGEN DIY experience compare to the pro experience they might get at one of your detail shops?
So going into one of our detail shops, you're going to get a pro experience that could comprise of a 4 or a 5-step paint correction if you've really got issues with your paint. And in some cases, people need to do that. If you've got scratches or dents or dings where you've gone through the clear coat, you've gone through the paint, you're down into the raw metal, there's not a product up here that's going to fix that. But if you're talking about doing the daily nicks and scratches, the bumps and bruises, if you would, that your car encounters as it's out on the road every day, this product set is going to cover you soup to nuts. But when you go to that pro grade detailer, now you're talking about spending $1,500, $2,500, in some cases $4,000 to get a professional grade ceramic coating, a professional grade paint repair job, where you may not really need that. If you really want to bring that shine up on that car that you've had for 4, 5, 6 years, this product line is going to pull that out of it, and it's going to make it feel like it's brand new all over again.
Jim touched on it. You also talked about ceramic coatings. What makes a ceramic coating a ceramic coating?
It's really plain and simple. At the end of the day, a ceramic coating has to have silicon dioxide. The more silicon dioxide in the product, the stronger the coating is going to be. When you're dealing with a pro-grade coating, which many people associate with a glass bottle and no sprayer, you're looking at coatings that have 60, in some cases 70% silicon dioxide. When you're talking about a consumer-grade product, most of our competitors have 1, maybe 2% silicon dioxide in it. Our product today has 13%, which is why it's rated #1 in the DIY market.
You can see why they are #1 if you get it for yourself. Go to getnextgen.com/Motorhead for a special discount. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so we'll see you around the corner.